if your protein pancakes are missing this one ingredient, you are missing out on a lot of benefit. Today, I'm diving in the kitchen and I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes and that secret ingredient that you have to include in your pancakes. Okay, let's dive in. So, I've got some of my ingredients lined out. What I like to do is start with a nice big glass bowl, and I'm gonna put my oatmeal in to begin. So my first ingredient is oatmeal, which totally love, high in fiber. Let me grab my cup. Okay, got my quarter cup. Nope, actually a third of a cup. So I'm gonna do a third cup of oats, and nice level oats, a level cup. I like to use the old-fashioned oats. You can use the minute oats if you prefer. I feel like these give it a little bit more, they make your pancakes a little thicker. They make them stand up a little bit better. So I'm gonna add water to this. Now, old-fashioned oats, you think they're gonna take a long time? I don't know, I put water in it and I pop it in the microwave, and 1 minute, they're ready. So here we go, right? A little bit of water. And for the recipe's sake, I'm using probably about a third of a cup of water. I just like to have like a 1-to-1 ratio of oats to water. And like I said, 1 minute. Here we go. Sweet. Okay, check this out. I mean, yes, the oats cooked. I don't know why I'm surprised every time, but they cook right up, and if I wanted, I could eat them now. So, okay. So first ingredient, a third of a cup of old-fashioned oats. Okay, my next ingredient, I'm gonna add my all-time favorite Beverly International ump. This is my protein powder. Sometimes I use vanilla. Actually, most of the time I use vanilla, but I'm feeling a little crazy today. And I've got graham cracker, which is really good. It's kind of a vanilla-based flavor, but I think it's lighter in, I don't know, I just love the taste of it. It's pretty awesome. So 1 level scoop right on top of my oats. And I want to supercharge this. So what I'm going to do is add collagen peptides too. So I've been using my collagen peptides every single day for at least 3.5, 4 months now. And I notice a huge difference in my skin and nails. But okay, 1 scoop of collagen peptides. So I'm packing the protein in here. These aren't my secret ingredients yet. They're my favorite ingredients, but they're not the secret one. Okay, then I need eggs. So with my protein pancakes, especially if you're making them with oatmeal, the eggs really help bind the recipe and help your pancakes fluff up. So I like to use 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites. So 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites. Sometimes they crack great and sometimes they don't. That's okay. So you can see how much protein is going to be in this recipe. It's amazing. And I literally have this almost every single day. So literally and almost, but it's all right. So now I have my oatmeal. I've got my protein powder, my ump protein. I've got my collagen peptides, and I've got a whole egg and 2 egg whites. Sorry, I need to wipe off my hands. Okay, I'm gonna pitch this guy. Now, that secret ingredient. Okay, this one, if you're missing this ingredient, not only are you missing out on fiber, you're missing out on omega-3 fatty acids, and you're missing out on a cancer protector, lignans. So this is my flaxseed meal, okay? Flaxseed meal is literally, this changes the game for your protein pancakes. It adds a lot of flavor, actually, really tasty, but really it's the nutrients that you're getting out of this. You're getting 1,700 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. You're getting the protection, the antioxidant protection. You're getting the fiber that's gonna keep you more full. It's gonna help regulate your blood sugar. You're not gonna feel hungry after you add flaxseed to your protein pancakes. So that's my secret ingredient. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. Grab out my tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons of my flax meal in it. I like to use the flaxseed meal because it's a little more bioavailable. it's been broken down. Instead of just the seeds, this has now been milled down and crushed. So now I've got my flax in there. I mean, you cannot get a more packed, incredible recipe here. So I like to take my spatula and mix everything up. I'm gonna probably need to add a little bit of water. Okay. The smell of this, okay, adding the graham cracker, you know, I'm a sucker for chocolate, but when I'm making protein pancakes, a vanilla-based flavor like graham cracker or vanilla is really good. So, okay, let's see. It's a little thick, so let's go ahead and add, I kind of play this by ear when I'm making it myself. And yeah, we're gonna add, let me grab a cup. Let's add about really just a couple tablespoons. Let's add about a 1/4 cup of water. That'll be good. That should be good there. Yeah, okay, so check this out. So you want this to look like a batter, right? Okay, it's got raw egg. Don't eat it straight away as much as you'll want to because it smells that good. Okay, I think we're ready to put them into we're ready to actually make the pancakes. Okay, there's kind of like a batter thickness, if you will. And make sure I got the bottom. All right, head on over to my stove. Come on, coffee, you can do it. Okay, it's time to actually make the pancakes. So we've got our batter. Would you believe this contains 48 grams of high quality protein? 48, craziness. All right, do a little bit of nonstick spray. And then just like regular pancakes that you might have made on Saturday mornings with your family, I'm gonna pop these in. And they're a little bit thick because these are oatmeal based. But what I like to do, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so it's gonna take about a minute for each side of the pancakes. They're gonna fluff up some. As this gets warmer, that's gonna happen. While the pancake cooks up, I wanna tell you a little bit about why I have protein pancakes frequently for breakfast anyway. So, okay, they taste awesome. I mean, that's the first reason, right? Why am I gonna eat something if it doesn't taste good? So I have these all of the time. It packs in my protein for the day. It's got all of that fiber, so it makes me feel full. I mean, these really hold me over until lunch. One of the best things about protein pancakes is that you can make big batches and you can have them for several days in a row. So super easy grab and go breakfast. All right, this guy is ready to flip. Come on in, check it out. Ooh, golden brown. So nice and golden brown on the bottom. You flip that over. Fantastic. Okay, yeah, so the flaxseed, I haven't always used flaxseed with my protein pancakes. Relatively recently, I decided to add it in and it's just amazing. I like the extra texture it gives it, but mainly it's all of those benefits. So the increased fiber, the omega-3 fatty acids, and the antioxidants. Huge difference. Okay, so the second side, the other side, I think we're about there. Okay, so peek under. So it's kind of golden brown. Look how light and fluffy this guy is. Like, literally. Okay, I'm gonna try really hard not to eat it right now. Let's make our next one. Out of this recipe, you end up getting 2 to 3 good sized pancakes. And it's right about 420 calories, exactly the way I have this done. So I'm gonna let the second one go. All right, number 2 is almost ready. So what I like to do, it'll have that little bit of golden brown on each side. And if it gets too hot, just turn it down a little bit. You'll notice they definitely they cook faster as you go. But they rise too. Check this out. Like literally they're fluffing up throughout. I was always impressed with protein powder you can cook with. In the past, like ages and ages ago, there was a time where I would use whey protein. You can't cook with just straight whey protein. It makes me kind of sad. because I literally, like, I enjoy my protein shake, but I almost exclusively end up eating protein powder by cooking it anymore. And this recipe in particular is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are just so tasty. Okay, one more. I mean, look at this. I'm getting all of these pancakes, out of this one recipe. So, okay, this last one. Okay, this guy is gonna be a little smaller. That's okay. We're still gonna love him and he's still gonna taste awesome. There we go. Okay, sweet. Okay, so that guy's ready to flip. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove off because I think that's gonna be plenty. You wanna make sure, I mean, these have egg in them, so you do wanna make sure they're all the way cooked. And what's great is they just end up fluffing up and rising as you go. All right, here you have it, my protein pancakes with my one secret ingredient. And so in this recipe, there's 418 calories, 48 grams of protein, 48 grams of high quality, awesome protein, 6 grams of fiber, and 12 healthy fats. So you are getting literally one of the perfect combinations of breakfast that's gonna keep you full all day. All right, enjoy.